Understanding soft whisper, an easy guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrases soft and whisper. These words are often used in English to describe a type of speaking or sound. Let's dive in to understand how you can use these phrases in your everyday English conversations. When we describe something as soft, in English, we refer to a gentle or low-intensity characteristic. It can be used to describe textures, sounds, or even actions. A soft sound is one that is gentle to the ears, not loud or harsh. A whisper is a type of speech. It is when someone speaks very softly and often without using their vocal cords. This results in a breathy and quiet sound. People usually whisper to maintain privacy or when they need to speak in a quiet environment. When combined, the phrase soft whisper refers to a very quiet and gentle form of speech. It's softer than a normal whisper and is often used in contexts where silence or discretion is key. This phrase can be used both literally, like someone speaking in a soft whisper, and figuratively, to describe things like the wind's gentle sound. Now, let's see some examples of how soft whisper can be used in sentences. 1. She spoke in a soft whisper so as not to wake the baby. 2. The leaves rustled in a soft whisper with the breeze. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of soft and whisper, and particularly the phrase soft whisper. Remember, understanding these nuances in language will greatly enhance your English skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.